If you know me, then you know that PLR is one of my favorite things to do and buy and sell and give away. It really does make a massive difference in building a business online to have a good quality PLR library. But what if you could actually go ahead and create your own personal PLR website where you can actually sell people stuff? People can come and pick out what they want and actually start using it for themselves. That is really, really cool. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that with PLR Mojo. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, I'm made by Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you're new to the channel, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because I tell the same jokes every single time. Yeah, they're boring, but I like them, so I tell them. So go figure. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I refuse to acquire info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might suppose very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, seriously, nobody wants crap. Okay, you don't want it. I don't want it. These people don't want it. Why do you keep saying you want crap? Nobody wants it. Nobody. That guy is so annoying. You know, I don't even know where he comes from, what movie or something, whatever he comes from. Just found him one time and he won't go away. Please, dude, go away. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is, sorry, the way things work here, if I like product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, thank you. Just an entrepreneur, thank you. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for PLR Mojo. Now, basically, what they're going to tell you is that, yes, you can go ahead and set up your own PLR website. And these are the valuations of some PLR websites that already exist. And there's a huge amount of value in setting up a PLR website of your own. Now, basically what this software does for you, you can take a look at the top of the page. And by the way, before I go on, I'm going to give you a coupon for $4 off. So make sure that you stick around to the end. I'll tell you what the coupon is. It's also going to be on my website. You're going to see that in order to get $4 off the price. Right now, we're looking at $16.81, I think it is. It is on a dime sale, but the price is still very, very reasonable. And with the coupon, you're going to get like 12 bucks. So I think that's a really, really great bargain. Okay, so basically, what you're going to have here is that this is going to be software that you can create your own self-updating affiliate PLR website. Okay, so and you are going to have access to thousands of PLR products with this package. I haven't figured out exactly how that works. I'm going to show you the members in just a second, but I haven't figured out quite how that works. But what I can tell you is like this. In addition to whatever they're going to give you, because I've been looking at the members area, I can see how you make a site, but I haven't figured out where you download these things. But I'm assuming that if they say you have 50,000 PLR assets, then it's got to be here somewhere. And I have thousands of assets already, so I don't really need it. But yeah, but what I want to offer you is something else, because basically the real value with PLR is rebranding this stuff. Okay, so if you want to rebrand this stuff, then what I'm going to suggest to you do is first of all, I'm going to give you my course on how to rebrand PLR, which is going to be very, very valuable. I'm also going to give you my course on how to find great quality domain names for super cheap prices with authority rates. You can actually look through this list and find something that already has clicks coming to it, so you can actually save yourself the trouble of starting something brand new, because they're going to tell you to set up your own website and sell it. But beyond those two things, the other thing I'm going to give you 100 ebook covers plus a whole bunch of other graphics materials like tons and tons and tons and tons of graphics materials with PLR rights that you can go ahead and use to actually create all the graphics that you're going to need. Plus, I'm going to show you how to edit them for free. Okay, this is all going to be included in the package when you pick up PLR Mojo from me, just for like 12 bucks. After you use the coupons, it's going to be $12. You're going to get 100 ebook covers plus innumerable other graphics. Plus, I'm going to show you how to edit all of them completely for free. If you pick up any upgrade valued at least $20, I'm also going to throw in another 500 PLR products that you can add to your own PLR website on top of whatever they're going to give you over here. Okay, so let's just check out the members area real quick. So you can see here, basically, is you're going to create your own website with this software. You're going to create your own personal website that you can actually go ahead and start selling stuff on. And basically, you can see here you have the various pages of your website, okay, that are going to be ready-made for you, set of coupons and all this other kind of stuff. And then over here you have products. You can add new products. Now, again, they have some stuff in here already. According to them, you're going to get 50,000 stuff. I'm guessing it's probably somewhere else, maybe under files. I haven't really looked that deeply. Okay, this is just where you download the files that are already there. So I'm sure that it's here somewhere that you can get them because they're mentioning. I just don't see it here for some reason. I'm not sure where it is, but I'm sure it's got to be here somewhere. They're going to be able to get these things. The 50,000 products. I mean, that's what they're advertising. Okay, I just don't know where that is exactly. But anyway, on top of all the bonuses, by the way, you also have a bunch of other bonuses that they gave me to give to you. Okay, and that's basically how the software works. You're just going to go ahead and create it and upload the content that you want to upload to the website. And again, I believe that they're also going to give you a members area where you can download all of these PLR sites. They just gave me access to the software so I could see how the software works as opposed to access to the PLR content, which kind of makes sense because otherwise, you know, anybody who is like an affiliate like me is going to get access to that. They're going to basically say, hey, I got free PLR now. So I guess it makes sense that they're not giving me access to the actual PLR content. But other than that, everything is here for you. It's very, very easy to use, actually. Very, very simply, just create your site. It takes a few seconds to create your site and start uploading stuff. And again, you're going to get all these other things from me included for free. So let's see if I'm going to formally, coupon code. Before I forget, there is a coupon code available, which is going to be PLR Mojo 4. It's going to take $4 off your price. So it's going to make it $12.81. Again, this is on a dime sale. Price may go up by the time you watch this video, but $4 off with PLR Mojo 4 that you're going to have included completely for free. So let's say if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hatch the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay. You the man. This is really, really cool. I love this idea of creating a PLR website of your own. And of course, when you pick it up from me, you're going to get all these additional bonuses included for free that nobody else is going to offer to you. That's something that I'm going to personally do for you. And of course, pick up any upgrade worth $20 or more. You're going to get another 500 PLR products from me that you can add to this beyond what you already will have access to. So yeah, grab this one. This one's good. You're going to love this.